What did I tell you? I said I was gonna do it. I got this treadmill walking pad thing, and I'm gonna solve this Rubik's Cube, and I'm gonna win a game of ranked Clash Royale. I hope I'm not too far away from the mic, but you know, let's get running and winning. Same rules apply, old deck, new challenges. It's a good thing my neighbors just started playing drums because they won't hear me running at full speed. But I'm gonna start off slow because I'm kind of afraid of my my socket blowing up because of how much things are plugged into it. Let's get to a confident speed. Right. Okay. This is not running, but I wanted to. This is gonna be kind of a loud video. Not much commentary, really. I might have to slow down, honestly. Play something. Play something, I fucking bitch. Alright, now this is kind of a challenge. Superhuman reflexes. Just almost dropped my phone. That was a bad little pinch. Uh-oh. He's coming full force, huh? Ain't nothing I can do about that. This guy got hog bait without the hog? I mean, hog cycle? I'm sorry. Oh shit. Come on, bitch. Come on, bitch. go. Let's go. Match over. And now it's just cube. Now it's just cube. Oh shit. My phone. Done. Now I need something harder. Beat Hog Cycle 2.6. Finished the cube. Ran, my time just got erased. That was like 6 minutes of running. What now? Now I need to bang a cymbal. Now I can win Clash Royale blindfolded. I'm not gonna test that, but you know, that guy should honestly feel really bad. I hope he sees this video, whoever that was. Somehow I need you to see this video. I beat you while running and solving a Rubik's Cube at the same time. You know, I don't know what to tell you, man. Feel bad. Feel bad about yourself. He was probably sitting on the couch, slouching, eating a bag of chips, while I'm over here getting a workout, getting my brain smarter. If you face me in a game, just know I was probably doing this. This is gonna become a routine. That's it.